Hey guys, Strich sent me this electronic drum set for free so I can check it out and create this video. I wanted to show you how unique and realistic sounding this unit is. Now before I hit the drums, I wanted to show you what you're going to get with this kit. It's truly all-inclusive. You're going to get this mat on the floor you see here. Even has this drum throne. A lot of kits don't come with that. You're going to get this 8-inch mesh snare, 3 8-inch mesh toms, and up top here are 3 10-inch cymbals. And down here are 2 kick pedals. They even include this headphone you can plug in. Now, instead of the headphones, so you can hear the sound, I plugged it into my amp. Of course, this is not included. Now, let me give you an example of the sound. You can see here how realistic it is. Even up here on the cymbals. Very high quality and realistic sounding. But of course, the most unique thing about this drum set is the LED lights. You can see every time you hit, you're gonna get a fun light. Now down here you have the hi-hat pedal and the kick pedal. That one has its own light back here. And of course, these drumsticks are included as well. Now, as far as the head unit here, you're gonna see a lot of different features. This is where you adjust the headphone volume and the speaker volume. Over here, you can press for a metronome. Here's where you can control the tempo, and here the drum kit. It does come with 20 preset kits, which you can see here. And then it's got 3 different user kits. Now this button here is for the coach. You got 30 to choose from. You can see the list here. Got a voice button, a button to save. It's even got reverb. The included throne is very high quality. You can see the details here and it's very comfortable. It's also got 210 built-in drum and percussion sounds. You can see them listed here. Over here, you got an auxiliary in. Here's where you're gonna plug in the headphones. And over here is the line out, which I plugged into my amp. So it looks good, sounds great, and I would definitely recommend this for any drummer, either beginner, intermediate, or pro.